James. I'm the national team's athletic trainer for USA Wrestling. So wrestling is an acute injury sport, right? I mean, certainly we have some chronic natured injuries, but it's mostly acute injuries, shoulders, knees, ankles. Now maybe underappreciated but commonly seen are ear injuries, right? I mean, we see all the cauliflower ear on wrestlers, but most of the time we see them scarred down and mangled and looking just worn out. But we're noticing that if we can catch them early, we can really restore the natural shape of the ear. We really didn't have a tool that was practical and easy to apply that I could do here in the wrestling room or in the clinic. So I was exposed to EarSplintz and curious as to the product, so I investigated it more, and I think it's a phenomenal product for the general public to be able to use. You don't have to be a medical professional to use it. You don't have to be a surgeon, a physician to use it. It comes with very detailed directions, very easy to follow directions. Being able to apply that in the youth setting really allows the athletes to keep the shape of their ear better, especially if they're not interested in wearing headgear, and to protect the ear canal. Really, it's just to sustain their career as far as ear injuries go. It's a great product for parents to be able to really use at home without having to feel intimidated by a medical product or things of that nature, or finding a physician to patch up their ear, sew up their ear. Really, it's a nice, very efficient, non-invasive way to apply steady compression. Custom molds, frames that it comes with is just super easy to follow, super easy to apply, and really once you do it once, twice, it becomes second nature and really easy to do. Overseas, we can travel with EarSplintz and make them overseas. We don't have to worry about having specific materials. We just travel with our kits and really can apply an EarSplint anywhere. Applying that EarSplint directly after getting it drained really does decrease the amount of fluid that comes back into the ear. They wear it consistently for about a week. They still train during that time. They still work out during that time. And they put the EarSplint on when they're not training, and they really do see a decrease in swelling in that ear. The comfort of the consistent soft pressure really makes a big difference for the athlete in compliance, really. I think it's important for young youth wrestlers, adolescents, middle school athletes, high school athletes to protect their ears, and I think it's more so just save time for missing training, because it is really tender. Your ear is tender when you have all that pressure, fluid, inflammation within your ear.